In this video, I will show you how to fix music option not showing on Facebook Messenger notes. Okay, so on your Facebook Messenger, if you want to share your notes or share your thoughts on your notes using the music option, in most cases it won't show. If I come to share notes, as you can see, the music icon isn't shown over here, and I won't be showing you how to fix it. Okay, so to do this, head over to your settings in your Android device. So that's the settings, then come to apps. So when you come to apps over here, come to apps again, more like app management on different Android devices, because my Android is Android 12. Depending on your Android settings and Android device, the settings may differ. So if you see, just come to apps or apps management. As you can see, mine is still loading up a bit. So at apps or on the app management, search for Messenger. So Messenger is there. Now what you do is simple. You just head over to permissions and make sure that Facebook Messenger has all permissions. So first and foremost, you have to give it this permission: access your calendar, access your location, access your contacts, access your camera, access your calendar, and also access your microphone. So literally you give it all permissions. Then also access nearby devices. So I'm giving it every permission. Access my phone book. Then last permission, this is the most important permission, access storage, because the music is stored in your Android storage. So as you can see, I've literally given it all permissions, and after doing that, I'll head over to my Facebook Messenger, and what I'll do is simple. Just come over here and then click on share thoughts. So when you click on share thoughts, this time around you'll find the music icon there. You just need to refresh your Facebook Messenger like this, and then you'll be able to find the icon there and share your thoughts using the music icon. Thanks for watching. We shall meet once again.